anybody have any burning PCBA questions they like to ask, it's Cyber City After Dark. We can get all your burning DFM questions.
And then this is going to be, yeah, I don't need ground over there, so I'll do ground over here. Let's see. Oh, so did you see responses about the favorite Cyber City Circuits kits earlier?
Bob said that he really liked the Theremin. And what was the other one?
Jason's Fibonacci got a mention, and the alarm clock
Fibonacci was great. Yeah, and the alarm clock kit, man, that one was fun.
I haven't done that one yet. That's the only one I haven't put together yet.
So it has a built-in MP3 player. The song it plays in the alarm clock kit is a song that I played on guitar. It's a recording I made when I was in high school, and it was called the Digital Alarm Clock Song because it just seemed like the kind of song that would play to wake you up in the morning. So I called it the digital. It was perfect.
Nice.
Marshall asks, is there an SMD size you recommend and why? So
there we go. That's a good question.
Application dependent. If you're going to be hand soldering stuff, I'd recommend 1206 and 0805. If you're going to be using tweezers for manufacturability, I'd recommend 0603 and 0805. We do 0402. We just did a whole bunch of 0201 yesterday.
Oh
my God. No, it's okay. So Chris, Chris is really good at that kind of stuff. I'm not. I'm just good looking. But we can do 0402 and we can do 0201, but like we charge more for that. So and everyone does. It's not just us. Any PCB assembler worth their money is going to charge you through the nose for 0201 and 0402. So avoid those when you can. 3 is the most common size. 0805 is really nice. When you're doing KiCad, there's an option for hand solder pads, and then there's it's like R0603, and then there's R0603 hand solder. Use the hand solder stuff. It's gonna make your life a lot easier for rework, and if you can get away with it. Now, if it's a really tight, constrained design, maybe not. But I mean, they're not that much bigger. They don't take up that much more space, and it makes everybody's life easier. Bob asks, do we need to provide parts for assembly, or do you provide those for an additional fee? So we do whatever you want. So we can do turnkey, and so when we buy parts, we just do markup. Again, that's an industry standard. Everyone charges you markup. So we just charge markup when we buy parts. Otherwise, we do consignment fees, which is $5 per piece of cut tape. Now, the reason we charge a consignment fee per piece of cut tape is because we had a joker that sent us like 10 pieces of cut tape for the same part. And each of those pieces of cut, you have to have a special machine to splice cut tape together. And that machine takes time. And that machine can be very frustrating to work with, but you have to splice the cut tape together. So we charge $5 per, and then it has to be loaded into the machine, which loading into the machine, like the fastest we could do, it's like 3-5 minutes per line. That's the fastest we can do. And that's if nothing goes wrong. So we charge a consignment fee per line, and then we charge markup if we buy stuff. But we're happy to do whatever. And send the email to sales@cybercitycircuits.com. And I love to talk to you.
Nice.
Always a salesman.